your breakfast after this?
How is it, babe?
You like that one?
This is the Malayan subspecies SP at its core. Introduction into the wild and in your life. I'm really excited about our next friend. We communicate the body language through that call what they'll use to food to go back to it later. And I'm gonna let the Lord get on first.
Roro just had a snack. We made a game plan for where to go because you cannot tackle this. I mean, maybe in a full day, but we're only going to spend about half a day here. So we're going to go to the urban jungle first.
Dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. We're dancing as one. We're dancing as one. We're dancing as one.
Eat it. You're gonna get paper cut.
So let us dance this side away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers.
Yeah, you like
We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air getting there. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see how. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is getting older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
And nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop and go. I go right and you go left before it turns to right. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fail, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop and go. I go right and you go left before it turns to right. It's true. Yeah, I that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on stop and go. I go right and you go left before it turns.
Found parking at Ocean Beach Market. This one goes till 8 to see the sunset, but cloudy. Not the pollution.
Don't stop. I'm falling even faster now. Beneath the North Star, all things that glow in the dark. 2 steps from the edge, moving closer. In the deep, last pond of disclosure. With tears in my eyes, I hold up to the fire inside. I'm getting close to the side where I can see what's behind. Oh, the stride of my life. The stride of my life. Maybe somewhere you would show me what's missing now. Don't know if I dare
Jogging and fast
to follow through.